Hello, my name is Jeffrey Wyrick with the Fast and Easy Fan Page Rampage Training System. And today, as I've promised, as an added bonus, we are going to make a fan page live and in real time for StomperNet CEO Brad Fallon's latest project that they're calling UCast. Now, to do this, we need to come over here to Facebook, where you can see I'm logged into my account. And I either need to go to developer.facebook.com, or if you scroll to the very bottom, and sometimes it's a little tricky because it likes to reload if you've got a lot of friends and whatnot. Let's see here. Maybe it'll let me. There we go. Developers. I'm sorry. Plural. So developers.facebook.com. If this is your first time here, you're going to want to apply. But once you're approved as a developer, it's real simple. You click My Apps. You're going to have to go through the process of creating an app. And I explained this in our actual program, so I'm not going to go over this redundantly. I'm going to actually scroll down to the app that we've created for the UCast landing page. I am going to make sure that I have the app ID and the secret ID. Now I have to open this tab in a notepad. I'm not going to use anything fancy here. And I need to make sure that this app ID and this secret ID right here match this app ID. So just to make sure, I'm going to copy this. You may be using a different system. If you are, that's not a problem. Most of them work pretty much the same. They ask for your app ID, and then they ask for your app secret code. So we're going to, that's being tricky. There we go. And we're going to copy that. Next, we're going to come down here. Now, our code is actually very simple, but we want to make sure that we get everything done properly. This is the image link that's going to be seen prior to them clicking the like button, and that's going to, in our case, go right here. Then we want to get the width and height. So let's come over here to the like us. It's 520 by 624. We're going to go width equals 520. Height equals 624. Border equals 0. Alt equals click the like button above for more information. There we go. Just playing around, having a little fun here. Double check that to make sure. Yep, 624. Alright, now right here, where the original developer has this little snippet of code, we're going to put in our own little table here of what we want the user to see if they click our like button. So we're going to paste this in. Make sure that it doesn't kill the if-else, because you have typical programming. You have if they've clicked the like, they see this. Else they see this. And then the end if. So now we're going to save as. Now if you're using text document, make sure you use all files, tab, and in our case, .php. Save. It says already exists, so we're going to overwrite. Next, we want to make sure that the application is on our page. In this case, I believe it is, but I'm going to take it off just so that you can see it being added manually. Whenever you want to manage one of your pages, all you have to do is scroll to the right where it says Account, click Use Facebook Fan Page, and I'm going to remove the app manually by editing page. You can see that I'm a developer here. See here, apps. Yes, I need to remove this so that we can show it manually being added. Not a problem. All right. Now that we're on the actual app page itself, and again, I'll go back so that we can see this in live, real time. Once we have the app ID and the secret code added to our code snippet, we need to go to the application profile page. And then down here on the left, we need to click where it says add to my page. Click on your page, add to page. We only want to add to the one. So now we want to come over here, use Facebook page as. So you can see we're working on several projects right now. Now because I'm a developer, an admin right here, see Jeffrey S. Wyrick, that's me. I'm not going to see this. And if I've already clicked like, I'm not going to see this. The default like system is set up. It's not actually fully installed yet. And we'll show you how to do that in a minute too. But it's only set up for the person who has not clicked like. And I'll show you how that works. But first, we need to make sure that the app was installed. Next, we need to simply refresh and upload. Now the application is already set up to forward to the page in question. I explain how this is done in the program. We're going to refresh the actual page here. And now, because I've already clicked like, now what I need to do here is scroll down to where it says unlike. This is what everybody else is going to see. It's just simply a UCast page that tells them to click the like button, click like for free access, click like. It's a motivational, get their free training. So they click like, and then on the table page that I showed you before, they're motivated right here to click more information about this webinar. It opens in a new page. And as you can see, we are taking them to a page to schedule their next webinar appearance with Brad Fallon's Vice President of Development, Brian Ridgway. I hope this has been helpful. And of course, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to send me a direct message. I wanted to keep this as completely informal as possible. No hype, no excited sales pitch. Just show you simply that, this is what the industry leaders are using. And you can use it too. It's not hard to figure out. It's not complex. And with the system that we're using and the system that we're teaching, you could build 1,000 of these. It doesn't matter if you have 200 fans or 2 million fans. The system is hosted on your server through your web hosting account, so you can build as many of these as you want. There are no limitations. You don't need to pay for any upgraded developer license. You pay once and it's over. You don't have to go on and pay every time a new upgrade comes out or a new development comes out, or to use on a certain number of pages, or to be a developer. You don't have to pay for anything extra. You just pay for the training. You use the manual that we give you. You download the files that I just showed you. You make simple changes just like I showed you. You upload them to your server after creating the application. That's done in maybe 5 or 10 minutes. And then you have the exact same results that you see here, right here on the new UCast fan page. I hope you liked it. And again, if you have any questions, send me a message. Talk to you soon.